So this is a mangrove that you can see through here, and there's a boardwalk through it. I take it you haven't been here before.
No, I haven't.
Ah, okay. I'm thinking I might let the mosquitoes in now. Might keep the rain off, but... No, he's not dead. He's just sitting there. I don't know what he's doing, to tell you the truth. So, Levy Preserve's having an open house today, and I showed you part of it. There's tons to see, all different stuff. Like you heard, Sid didn't even see one of the things from all the times we've been here. So, if you come over today, there's an open house. If you are here at another time, stop in and take a look around. There's all kinds of things, plants, snake, spiders, fish, and we didn't even get to, right, there's a pond with turtles, so you would want to potentially stop and see the turtles there. But it's not a great day. It's sort of overcast, the sun comes out. I mean, if you were on vacation, would you go to the beach? Probably. Would we? No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Look at all the
7,
trailers
8.
down there. Whoa. Huh. Well, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna head out and go for a beach walk. Tide hopefully will be low enough. It's a little later, but we should be within the window of walking time. I guess, yeah, must have just been there because she has her pocketbook and today wasn't one of those super exciting days. I got in last night. I brought a lot of coffee. I think I brought 24 pounds of raw coffee beans. And that all went fine. I mean, TSA, you know, went through my check-in bag, my carry-on bag, because I had coffee beans in there. And I was like, you're after the coffee beans. Yeah, probably. He opens it up. Yep. He says, oh, good thing you put them in clear plastic so we can see what they are. I said, yep. So last night I roasted up a bunch of coffees. Today I roasted up some. And I actually brought back, and I'll show you that maybe tomorrow or something. I brought this, you know, fancy thermometer. It's more than that. But it tells me now I have the times for roasting as well as the temperatures. So as it's climbing, I can see it's climbing. I can make adjustments in the heat of the fan to change how it's doing. And so I got a whole bunch roasted up. I can't possibly test them all tomorrow. Otherwise, I'd be running. So I'll test some of them tomorrow, and also brought back a Chemex, which supposedly makes the best coffee. I had one today. It wasn't all that great. I think it was the coffee, not the Chemex. It was starting to push its envelope of freshness. It's roughly about 2 weeks old. And after about 2 weeks, it starts a decline. And, you know, it's good for a while more. For a couple of weeks, it's still fine. But its peak is starting to end. So tomorrow, I have no idea what we're going to do. Sid and I were just discussing that. Probably go for a beach walk. I'll probably roast some more coffee. I'm going to be giving this coffee to some friends and stuff so that I can try to get their honest opinion of how they like it, how they brew it, how it comes out for them, what they think of it. So that way I won't even tell them, you know, what it is. I'll just tell them this coffee here, try it. And that way they'll come back and go, that was great. And then I can tell them, okay, that was from Bolivia, or that was from Burundi, and that kind of thing. So I think that'll, you know, that'll give me an outside perspective as to what the coffee is going to taste like. Because you need that outside, because everybody's taste buds are different. I might think it's phenomenal, and then all of a sudden somebody says, this isn't really that good. So everybody brews different, and I just want to see. So tomorrow, more coffee brewing, more beach walking. I don't know what else. We'll see what tomorrow brings.